It's Shelsky.
No, it is not. It's for people's shoes. Stop blaming it. Harmless pet. Ah, girl. You've seen turnails or what? Jonathan, you're filming me, I know it. I can tell.
I'm on Facebook.
Camera's looking at me.
I'm on Facebook.
Chair. What in here?
Are you gonna let flies in?
Bless you! It's you who lets flies in. Keep seeing toenails, it's doing my head in, it's you, that. Jonathan! See, filming, I do done that now. Wasting your energy on it.
We do kitchen while you're up. Sean, breathe out.
Yeah, I'm breathing out.
Push your belly right out.
Push your belly in.
Would that scare Shelsky? What if you put it in a hutch?
Oh no, wait, the sock's gone up it. Jonathan, it's not funny, it's blocked it now. You better stop leaving the socks over. So now it's not working again, look. It's funny, get camera off me now. Not doing it now.
Why did you hoover a sock?
I didn't even see it was there. Just move it and stop filming me. Jonathan, help me. How am I supposed to do this now?
Where is it stuck?
I don't know, it's sucked up. It's there, so it needs to come out backwards.
We'll set the hoover to stuck. Set Hoover to blow.
It don't blow. Stuck in there.
You can get that out.
How?
Squeeze it.
Oh, well, it's probably stuck in that bit. Jonathan, just get that off me and stop laughing. It's not funny, you laugh at everything.
Are you sure it's definitely stuck?
Yes, it's stuck. Jonathan, help me, please! Try and see how it works.
Sponsors of Home and Away. Where's your big growth?
It's not going to work now. I'm not doing it. That's it. Stop filming me as well. You're weird.
Don't put that in the fridge because it won't cool it.
Oh, so you're refrosting all the fridge?
Anytime you want. Yeah, I'm gonna go.
Where's the new bathroom? I'm not bothered. I'm leaving that there now.
We need to put it on.
No. I'm supposed to when it's blocked. Move that. Stop looking at me through there. You weird, Gio.
What?
You see me